So there's a number of ways that a funeral home may be negligent in how they handle the remains of a lost loved one or the way that they fulfill their end of the contract. So some of these examples include allowing a body to decompose while in their care because they didn't store it properly. Maybe a funeral home will cremate a body when they were supposed to embalm instead. You see sometimes when a funeral home may lose the belongings that are provided as part of the display for the memorial. There's been funeral cases where the decedent was buried in the wrong location, or bodies get mixed up, or even something as simple as failing to fulfill their end of the contract in a timely manner, which might have caused problems like delaying the funeral home that maybe people have flown in to attend. Other times you'll see funeral homes that may allow the wrong person to control the disposition of the remains when it should be the spouse. Maybe they let a more distant relative have control over the funeral decisions. So in any one of these ways, it's negligence on the funeral home's part. It can constitute a breach of contract, and it very frequently results in the mourning family having additional emotional distress. They're being damaged by this conduct because, in addition to dealing with the grief at the loss of their loved one, now they're also having to deal with all of the emotional issues that come from finding out that, for instance, a funeral allowed their loved one's body to decompose in these cases when the funeral home acts negligently or fails to fulfill their contract.